Okay, welcome back to another Physical Sciences 3 lecture. We have example 4 here of the conservation of momentum problems. We have, in this case, a 150 gram dynamics cart travelling at 0.5 metres per second eastwards collides with a 300 gram cart travelling at 0.25 metres per second eastwards. After the collision, the 150 gram cart is travelling at 0.25 metres per second westwards. Calculate the final velocity of a 300 gram cart. So a dynamics cart might be used in an experiment, in a school experiment. I've just written above there 0.150 kilograms because that is equal to 150 grams, and we want to be using SI units. Okay, so in this case, because they don't stick together, we can just say that the momentum before m1u1 plus m2u2 is equal to m1v1 plus m2v2. Because they haven't stuck together, they're going to maintain their individual momentums. So our first mass is going to be 0.150 kilograms, and I guess we need to say that eastwards is going to be positive. Okay, that means that 0.75 is going to be positive. And then our second mass is 300 grams, so it's 0.300, and that was going at 0.25 meters per second eastwards, sorry. That's also positive. Equals to, so after the collision, the 150 gram cart is travelling at 0.25 meters westwards. So we said, this was our first one, 0.150 is now going to go at negative 0.25. And we want to calculate how fast the 300 gram cart is going. So that's going to be our final V2. Or V. Oops. Okay. Alrighty, so let's calculate these then. So let's grab our calculator out, and 0.15 times 0.75 equals 0.1125. We'll keep all the decimals in while doing our calculations. Plus 0.3 times 0.25 is going to be equal to 0.075 equals 0.15 times negative 0.25 is equal to negative 0.0375 and plus 0.300 V2. Alright, so let's put those together. So we've got 0.1125 plus 0.075, and I guess we could have put all these into the one thing. So we got 0.1875, and I'm going to add plus 0.30375 equals 0.300 V2. Okay, just a bit of an exercise in decimal places. Plus 0.0375 is equal to 0.225. Now we need to divide both sides by 0.3, so V2 equals 0.225 divided by 0.300. So it's equal to 0.75 meters per second. And that will be going in an eastwards direction. Okay. And just notice that they've just essentially swapped, well, kind of the magnitudes at least have swapped, which is interesting. 0.75 meters per second east. Okay, so what's happened here is the 150 gram cart has rebounded. It's basically hit into the back. It's hit the back of the 300 gram cart and pushed it along, so it's increased its speed by 0.7 to 0.75 meters per second in an eastward direction. Very good. Okay, so the next next topic we look at is work. Alright.